There are two solver types, pressure-based, density-based. Selection criteria depends on Mach number. If flow is incompressible, pressure type will be selected. If flow is compressible, if speed of fluid is huge, density-based type will be selected. The reason is, for incompressible flow, density is assumed to be constant, hence the flow equations are computed based on pressure equation. Pressure and density-based have different solution method. For example, select pressure-based, go on method under solution. There are some pressure velocity coupling. Steady state calculation will generally use simple or simplex. PISO is recommended for transient calculation. PISO may also be useful for steady state and transient calculation on highly skewed mesh. And couplet reduce the time to overall converge. For transient flow, using the couplet algorithm is necessary when the quality of mesh is poor or if large time steps are used. If flow is compressible, not fluid, flow is compressible, select density based. Density is important for compressible flow. And go on again solution method. There are two formulations, implicit and explicit. Implicit is generally preferred. And go on again general. There are two time solver, steady state and transient. Steady state is used for steady calculation. When it is selected, go on run calculation. You will add number of iteration. For example, 120. Other time method is transient. You can obtain simulation at transient calculation. Go on run calculation. There is time step size and number of steps. You will add both of them. Time step size is to calculate at each given time. For example, change this with 0.01. Program calculates for each 0.01 second. Number of time is how much program calculates time step. For example, give 200. That means program will calculate situation for each 0.01 second at 200 times. So you will obtain simulation which is 2 seconds. The other important thing, initialization. There are two types, hybrid and standard. We will use depends on problem. It will help to calculate solution.